Well, hi everybody. We're back. Today, what is today?
My birthday.
And how old are you today?
12.
And what are we going to do?
Learn how to drive stick.
We're going to try to teach this child how to drive stick. We're out here at an undisclosed location, and we're going to see what we can do. So, the clutch is for disconnecting the engine from the transmission. So you're taking the engine away from the wheels when you push it in.
Change gear, you're moving the gear set a little bit, and when we push it back together, it'll have a different gear ratio. That's
correct. And it is drippy and rainy out today, so you're likely to hear the windshield wipers from time to time. So the first thing you want to do, if we're going to get started, we got the emergency brake is off.
Okay.
Push in that clutch pedal on the left. Okay, now, is it all the way down to the floor?
Yep.
Okay, now push the gas pedal a little bit. What happens?
It revs up.
It revs up the engine, but it doesn't go anywhere, right?
Nope.
Why doesn't it go?
Because the clutch is pushed in and it's disengaged.
It's not in gear. Okay, well, see if you can find first gear on there.
Okay, is it in neutral?
It's in neutral right now.
Okay.
Yep.
Right here?
Yep. Now, you want to give it a little gas. Very slowly move your gas pedal foot down, and your other pedal needs to come up very slowly. Not so much.
Okay.
Just like gently push the gas down and gently let the clutch up at the same time. Yeah?
Hey.
Oh, dang it. Well, our camera mount broke. Oh, you got to push in the clutch when we're stopping.
Correct.
Remember?
Sorry, I forgot.
That's okay. It's okay. Let's try this again. I'm going to see if I can get this camera mount to work again. Dang it. As soon as we started moving.
Okay.
Okay, hold on a second.
I forgot to press in the clutch.
You got to press in the clutch or it will kill the engine.
Sorry.
No, it's okay, dude.
Okay, so.
Don't be sorry. Hold on. Okay, can we see everybody?
Yep.
Okay, so push in the clutch.
Clutch.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and put it in neutral, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, now turn on the key while the clutch is pushed in. You got to have the clutch pushed in. Turn it. And this particular key is a little sticky sometimes. Turn it all the way. All the way. All the way. There you go. Engine's running. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. And be aware that we are getting close to the end of this parking lot, so be ready to turn the wheel when we get up there. Okay, ready? Okay. You got to put it in gear.
Okay.
First gear.
First gear.
Okay. Now give it a little gas and let that clutch out. Slow. Slower, slower, slower. Oh, give it more gas. Oh, you killed it again. That's okay. Push clutch in.
Okay.
You gotta turn this all the way to off and then back to on. There you go. Okay, turn it on. Everybody does this. But like when you feel it start to buck like that, either push the clutch back in and give it more gas, or both. Okay, you're in first. Okay, a little gas. And then let the clutch out slow. Yeah, not so much gas. You don't need so much. Just let the clutch out slow, and you'll feel it pick up as it engages. You'll feel it engage. Go ahead. That's it, just like that. Okay, now get ready to turn the wheel up here. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, you're gonna. There you go. Just be easy on the gas pedal, dude. There you go. Look at that. Okay, now just drive slow like this. See, you're getting it, dude. Okay, now do a loop around right here. Let's go around this guy. Getting a little foggy in here. There you go, you're doing good. Remember, we're going to try to stay around this pole and that pole, just so we're in camera range of the other one, right? You're doing good, dude. Okay, so just keep it going up here. Keep going. You're gentle, 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 dude.
Sorry.
You're okay.
I'm not used to this.
I know. Okay, now slow down, slow down. Hang it right. Hang it right here. Right here. Come on, Tina. There you go. You're doing great. Okay, now this time, okay, slow. Just keep going slow on the gas pedal. Just keep it steady. Okay, and now what I want you to do is, okay, we're going to pick up just a little speed here. Okay, now push in the clutch and pull it into second. Second is straight back. There you go. Now let go. Now you're in second gear. Okay, go around this way. Go around this way to the left. You're good. There's nothing out here to hit except for these poles, so.
As long as we just don't hit the pole.
That's right.
It's
okay.
kind of like Mario.
Turn around. Let's go back around to where our camera's set up.
How am I doing?
You're doing really good, dude. Yeah, and this is how you do it. Now, say you want to slow down, you're going to push in your clutch.
Push in the clutch.
Push in the clutch. Now push it back into first gear. and then let it out slow again and give it some more gas so it doesn't like you. Well, easy. There you go. But see, now you're back in your lower gear again. You can let the engine you can let the engine slow you down instead of using your brakes all the time. So you hear me do that a lot when I'm downshifting in traffic. You feel the car, because that engine is slowing the car down. Doing great. Now, yeah, practice your first to second shifts. Okay?
Okay. A little speed, clutch, shift.
Nope.
Okay.
You got rubber in second gear there, dude.
Hey.
You got to be more gentle letting the clutch in and out. That's the methodology of this is very easy. The finesse takes practice.
It's cool.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I know that's a little. I got this window part way down. I'll roll it back. I'm sorry. Are you scared?
Yeah.
You're okay, bud.
I'm in danger.
I'm not gonna crash.
Yeah, we're
There's
not-
nothing out here except these poles.
Okay, now say I wanted you to stop real quick. What's the first thing you hit?
Clutch.
Yep. Clutch in, then brakes. No, you didn't push the clutch all the way in. You got clutch all the way in, or it's still connected to the engine. Okay, you gotta turn it all the way off. There it is. Okay, first gear. First gear.
First gear.
Okay, now give it some gas and be ready. Remember to be ready to turn left when we get up here because we don't have much parking lot here. Okay, just easy down on the right, easy up on the left. Wax on, wax off. But be gentle. Be gentle and easy on that right foot, dude. You're on. Well, this car is torquier than you think it is.
It's a little Beetle, but still.
I gotta say, this car has almost 220,000 miles on
I think
it.
it's such a little car. I'm actually like really sized for this.
I know you really are, actually.
That's the crazy thing.
Man,
It's
you're
like,
as
this
tall as
fits
some
me.
people I've seen driving them, so.
I can see a lot of the road.
Here, go out to the last road past these lights here and drive along that edge there, and then we'll come turn around again. Okay, I want you to drive toward the camera. It's right there. Turn right here.
Wait, I gotta
See the camera there?
squeeze in through here. Those two.
Okay. Now I want you to drive toward the camera, like right straight at it. And I go back around that way. Go back around that way. Go back around. I want you to come like directly at the camera, like we're like a straight line toward it. Okay.
You want me to hit it?
No, but I want you to practice your braking.
Okay.
And when you brake, like, see, you have to push the clutch all the way to the floor and then hit your brake. Okay. There's no half clutching. It's either in or it's out. The only time to be in between is when you're engaging. Okay. Now come toward it. Yep. And then what do you want to do? You want to hit your clutch?
Clutch.
Yeah, we don't have to hit the brake so hard.
Sorry.
Hit the brake. Hit the brake. Not so hard.
Sorry.
Dude, you killed the engine because you let the clutch out while it's in
Crap.
gear. It's okay. Oh, hold on. Relax. See, now we're going to roll backwards because we're on a hill.
Emergency brake?
So you got it. Put the parking brake. That's exactly right. You put the parking brake on to help.
Okay.
Yeah, don't get. You're doing great.
Okay.
You're doing great. If I react, it's just because
nerve-wracking.
it is. And if I react, it's because we're in the moment. But you're doing a great job.
You're
not going to
showing me
break.
how to do it.
You're not going to break the car. All this stuff takes practice. So, okay, how do we start the car?
Okay.
Good.
There it is.
There it is. Okay. Now, see, now it's harder because you're in neutral. Clutch is in. Is clutch all the way in?
Yep.
Okay. Put it in first.
First.
See, now we have to pull this off, and now we're going to start rolling backwards. So you got to give it some gas and let off that clutch. Gentle. Let the clutch off gently. Go on. You got it. Oh, you're letting it off too fast, bud. You're letting it off too fast. You got it. You'll feel the car getting pulled along.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's the thing is like
It's not an on and
I feel
off.
like, oh no, it's driving by itself. So then I get
know.
nervous and I pull my feet off the pedal.
I get it.
And then that
No, you're in control. You're the man in control.
It's so scary.
You got it. You're all right, bud.
fine. That's fine,
There
man.
you go. Just hey, you got to be gentle with this key. It's old and
Pull it
cruddy.
out. Put it back in.
There you go.
Clutch.
Clutch all the way in.
Oh, okay. That's what I
E-brake.
forgot last
I
time.
got it.
There it is.
Okay, we're started. Okay, you're already in first gear here, right?
Yep.
So I'm gonna let this off. Give it some gas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you gotta let the clutch out slower than that, like a lot slower. Like.
Okay. I'm not used to it yet.
I know. Oh, there's some cars over there. Don't worry about them. Hang left over here. Yeah, and then I want you to shift into second when we get it straightened out here. Okay? you go. Okay, we're going straight in line here.
Clutch down.
Oh, you gotta let the clutch out slower, bud. Slow, slow, slow. Don't look at those guys. They're not important.
Okay. What if I do a loop around the building?
Yeah, I think you can go all the way around.
Okay.
Keep going. Now, see, you're slowing down now, and when you slow down, when you're in a higher gear, then you run the risk of dragging the engine down and killing it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, slow down, slow down. We don't know what's up here exactly, so be ready to hit the clutch and the brake as soon as you need to. Okay, slow down, slow down. Whoa, see, this doesn't go through. Clutch first, all the way.
Got it?
Oh, very good. See, much better. See,
I eased into it.
that's what it takes, easing into stuff. So you need to get back in first gear now.
Okay, first.
Yep. And then slowly let the clutch out. Don't let off of it all at once. Real slow.
Okay, wait.
Okay, here, go ahead and turn around. Since we're going downhill here, just let gravity pull you back around this post. You see, now you can let the clutch out because we're moving fast already. So go ahead and let the clutch out in gears. You still need to do it gently though, okay? There you go. Okay, now shift a second. Gentle. Yeah, better. Okay, watch out for these posts. Be ready to slow down.
Okay.
Hang around. Now switch to third. Right there. Oh, easy there. Oh, you're in first, dude. Here, I pulled it out of gear for you. Yeah, you were in first.
Okay.
Yeah, see, if you do that at speed while you're drag racing, that's how guys blow up their engines. It's what you call the money shift.
Oh, crap.
So, all right, put it back at first. Clutch in. Okay. Okay. Gentle. Gentle. You don't have to rev it up super high. Just put your right foot down and your left foot up at the same time. Slow. There you go.
This is fun.
Getting better. Hang right. Let's make sure our camera's still there. Okay. Okay, drive right in front of the camera, like real close to it. Slow. Yeah, just like this. Give it a thumbs up as we go by.
You're fine.
He's doing a great job, Mosey.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's practice. Okay, get to second now.
Okay. Gas. Speed up a little bit. Clutch.
Second. Yeah. When you're already moving, you don't have to give it that much more gas. So you'll get the feeling with time. Just remember what you're doing. It's just like when you're changing gears on a bicycle.
I'm gonna try the brake now, gently.
Yeah. Try a nice gentle stop. It's just like that. You just leave the clutch in the whole time that you don't want the car to roll.
And then to speed up again.
And then, well, you're in second gear, so you want to put it back in first.
And then slowly.
Better.
That's better.
Better. You almost killed it, but you're. Yeah, first gear will only take you so far though, so you gotta be ready to shift into second.
Back over to our camera.
Yeah, go ahead and shift into second. Oh, easy there. You can just let it back up, so you don't have to give it a whole bunch of gas when you're going into another gear like that. The engine is already turning. You know what I mean? Oh, easy. Now you're going. Yeah.
This is fun.
That's the stuff. Okay, well, I want you to stay in second and just make a wide loop around here. There you go. Okay, and then when we get up here, around here, I want you to shift into third as we go up here. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay, turn left here. And now on this straightaway here, go ahead, give it a little gas right now. Pick it up a little bit. Now shift into third. Now
Clutch,
it's up, over,
up.
there we go. Now let go. Third gear. Just like that, kid. Okay, but now you need to slow back down. So shift her back. Push clutch in, hit the brakes a little bit, just to take some speed off. See there? You can just take your speed down. You don't have to stop all the way. Yeah, now shift her back into second and let it out. Second is down. Yeah, there you go. Now let it out. There you go. Now we're in second. I think you're doing great, dude. You getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
There's a truck pulling.
Dude, I think you're doing a great job. Pull up here and just go ahead and stop. See if you can stop right when we're in the camera view. Ta-da! Okay, go ahead. Now you put it in. Okay, I was gonna say you put it in neutral.
Sorry.
And then pull the e-brake.
Okay.
Because when you park a car like this, you got to pull the e-brake or it might roll on you. So we always leave it parked in gear and then we turn the ignition on.
Yep.
Well, what do you think?
It was fun.
You think you get the basic idea?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think you know how to do it. And say it's easy to do it, but
It's a matter of figuring out how to.
well, developing the finesse to where you can do it smoothly just takes practice. But you get the concept.
Yeah.
That only took like 25 minutes.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Moses,
Yeah.
come over here and see you. What did you think of that?
Scared.
Were you scared?
Scary.
Did anything bad happen?
No.
No.
No one called the cops.
No one called the cops. No.
That's
We're
the
doing
good
good. Well, we
It
spent
wasn't-
some time out here today with Nash, learning to drive a manual transmission car.
Yep.
And he got it. He's doing good right off the bat. Proud of you. High fives. And
Studios.
and Moses, do you have a song?
Studios.
Dum-bum-ba-dum.